My fingers are my guide, guys. Keeping more length on top. I still gotta make sure it's braided in properly. I'm pulling back because I want to keep the length in the front, so I'm pulling back. Let me just notch here. I'm doing notching. That's what we call notching. She's a red kind of girl. She loves a red color. That's her favorite shade. So basically we are just refreshing her cut. The whole idea of taking it down is so that she can at least stop jumping up around and that it will lay. Because as I said, her hair by 2 weeks it's like all thick, and when I take it right here she'll get a longer lasting. Alright, I already do these parts. Let's see. Oh, the top is good. Alright guys, I'm gonna put a little relaxer in her hair. Nice braided, guys. You see how braided it is? Giving her some work today. It's like, ooh, smooth. Really smooth. Don't worry about it on the skin. This is very delicate relaxer, good for people with problem skin, like psoriasis and those problems. Good to do their hair. I know a lot of people are scared of relaxers, but it all depends on what you're using, and it's important not to itch your scalp when you know you're ready for retouch, and not to use products that will open up the pores and all of that. I'm finishing up. I'm going to rinse her out now. Welcome back, guys. I'm going to give her a Pixie style. I already do the cut, so she's getting a Pixie. So I'm going to give her putting back the red. She's just refreshing, guys. So this is not a starting from scratch. She was already cut and all of that, so it grew in back. So I just refresh our cut and we're gonna freshen up our color. All right. Yeah, so you know when you're doing soft waves, which is finger wave, but now we keep it a little softer. It's important to keep a straight hair, okay? Not a natural hair, straight hair. So look at it. See the way I cut the hair? Yeah, and we want it to be really laid, okay? The molding is important, so for the molding to look beautiful, you have to have a straight hair or straight relaxer, that it will be laid and slayed, okay? All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and continue, okay? Guys, I'm giving her a soft waves Pixie. I want you to watch how I do my waves. If any of you is interested to see the wave pattern. You know, we're from the time of the finger wave, and finger wave is back for the 2025, and I am excited, guys. I'm excited about that. It's just that we are not doing it hard like before. We keep it soft. The shorter the hair, the easier to wave. Sometimes we can just like So are you seeing, guys? Try it like this a little. You just gotta be very generous to get a beautiful finish. So guys, normally when we do insert Pixie, we'll cut this a little shorter. I'm leaving her hair longer because sometimes she want to change it up to some length in her face. So yeah. All right, guys. It's gonna dry. Get them up over. It's normally tie. I'm not tying anything. I just want to have a little convo with you about Pixie. There's a lot of questions being asked about the soft wave Pixies. Guys, you know Pixie's back for the 2025 and it's going to be around for a long time, guys. It have been long coming. Pixies are beautiful, guys, and really and truly it brings out your beauty even more than even long hair. I know a lot of you may not believe that, but it's the reality. In my head, I should put it that way, all right? Because everybody have their different opinions. Anyway, I've been asked if natural hair can be wave, soft wave, and Pixie. No, we can't, because the hair needs to be straight, okay? For the movements, it needs to be straight. So the best thing to use is a little tip of oil or a little tip of silk according to your texture, and also generous amount of mousse or foam. Foam wrap is the best thing to use when you want to acquire soft waves or finger waves. Okay, so the hair, it's important for the hair to be straight, and the shorter the hair, the more beautiful is the Pixie, guys. Look at it, guys. The shorter the hair, the more beautiful the Pixie. I cut my hair all the time, that it regrow very quickly, okay? Because I do a lot of ear care and treatment. I believe in ear care. Ear care is first before all the hairstyles and everything else. And also, if you have, like, it depends on, like, if a person have that mixed textures also, they can get a soft wave Pixie. It works for them also, but it's important for them to use silk instead of oil, okay? So guys, see, I am excited. Pixie's back. It's not going anywhere, and it will be around for a very long time. So I hope that answered the questions for all who have been asking me about if it can be done and natural hair, okay? So stay tuned for the finishing of this Pixie. Yes, guys, look at the lining up, guys. So now I'm gonna ease up the hair a little and start putting in some curls in it. I know you would say, oh, that is so pretty. Why are you combing it out? Because the whole idea of giving her the curl, okay? Look at it, guys. You see when I put in that nice little soft with the mini flat iron, okay, and that's why we call it a soft wave. It's still finger wave, but we curl after. Watch the pattern of the way I'm doing my curl. I'm following the same pattern of the wave when I'm curling. Softly. Lay this. I'm styling and doing changes as I go along. You see the way I lift this up, guys? I'm just gonna leave her with this lift right here and just loosen up right these part here. Because it's all about softness, nothing hard. Give it a little height. And then give her a little curl on the end with this. Loosen up here. Loosen it up. Guys, you see? Oh, easy. There goes it, guys. This is a good style, especially if you're going to an event or you're traveling or you want your hair done and you don't want to get up in the morning to do it. You just want to stop to put on your makeup. Just looking cute. Look at it, guys. Tell me how I did in this one. Are you loving this one? Look at it. Just remove our cape. Just free her up from the cape. Yes. Free her up from the cape. So I'll just put a little bit of sheen on it. I put a little bit in it before I curl. Just doing the finishing touch to it now. Earlier on I was explaining about silks and oils. For her here, for this particular style, I'm using the oil. Some textures you have to use the silk. Wherever in the world you're watching me from, let me know if you'd wear Pixie, and remember, we'll be having Pixie right through 2025, okay? It's not going anywhere. Look at her, guys. Look at her. She's loving it, guys.
As always, yes.
Yes. Look at it. Yes, guys. So, you know, you see how I started out by using the mousse. Not really mousse, the foam. I think the foam is better because the mousse is not movable like the foam. And I put a little of the oil in it. And then I use the comb to do the waves, okay? I know we came from back in the days of doing waves with fingers. But with the comb, it allows you to be more versatile, to do it a little faster, guys. And, you know, with the Pixie soft wave, you got to be very creative with it. And I don't know what you think, but in my mind, it makes us look cuter, guys, cuter. Thank you all for watching, all who have been subscribing, all who have been commenting. I take the time to answer every comment, okay guys? So go ahead and like, share, and comment. And if you have not subscribed as yet, go ahead and subscribe. Kindly subscribe. Thank you. Bye.